On our previous video, we talked about a lot of things, and at the end of the video, I also added some tips on how to make your AI look AI-ish, but somebody complained to me that she didn't see the notes and please I should explain it. So I went on to check on the video and I saw that it wasn't that clear. Hello there, if you are coming across this YouTube channel for the first time, my name is Jemilat and we are currently in class learning AI from the very foundation. You are welcome. Today we're gonna be talking about how to make AI look less AI-ish, and I have just 12 tips here for you. Number one, say use short and intentional scenes. We are talking about the videos, and I've said it over and over on our previous videos that it is better for you to generate your scenes short, 6 seconds, maximum 10 seconds. 6, 8, 10 seconds is good, especially if you are generating image to video. But if you are generating text to video, most of the time it depends on the output the tool you are using gives you. So that is number one. Number two is add micro imperfections. When your AI looks too perfect, everybody is gonna know that it is AI. Micro imperfection like the movement makes it like it tells people that it looks a little bit real, more than too much AI-ish. And we have such like slight camera shake, like even as I'm recording to you right now, sometimes you can see that my camera like it shakes naturally. The video doesn't have to be perfect, okay, because we humans, we are not perfect. So if your AI is coming out all perfect, all clean, all touched up, a lot of people are going to know that this is definitely AI. It's gonna look too AI-ish. Number two is natural hand movement. Yeah, like movement. I move, we all move. So your AI being just static and it looks too AI-ish, too perfect. Number three is subtle motion, not perfection. Yeah, there should be motion. It doesn't have to be too stiff, too the same, too somehow. It doesn't have to just be still. So there should be motion, it should move, there should be a little bit of mistakes too. So number three is reduce over animation. Most of the animation you should use your editing app to even put them. Yeah, there should be animation that has to like the zoom in effect and all that, which AI can do. But in a situation whereby you are using the zoom in, the pan, all of it, audio animation you can think of for one scene, that is not how we create videos, okay? So the ones you should use is gentle zoom, simple fades. Yeah, those are two examples that you can use each on a scene, okay? Then number four is that lock one visual style. Are you creating for realistic? Are you creating for Pixar character? Is it cartoon? Is it anime? Is it anything you are creating? Make sure it is that throughout the video. Don't start with this and end with another style. It makes it look too AI, okay? Number five is control lighting. Like humans, we all know that for you to shoot perfectly, you need a good light. Natural light, studio light and all that. So you have to also control this with your prompt, okay? Number six is use real world environment like the office, the studio backdrop. Use environment like that, gardens and all that. When you are using too much of futuristics and all that, most of the time it looks too AI-ish. Number seven is break visual patterns. I already said this. Prompt by prompt, like scenes by scenes, each prompt for those scenes. This covers this covers this. You are shooting for a woman that's in the market to buy something. There's a scene, like there's a part of the video that should video what she is buying. Could be tomatoes. Some parts can video her as the subject. Some parts take what she is wearing. Not that you are not breaking the scenes, everything is just jump packing. It's gonna look too AI-ish, okay? Number 8 is add human pacing. pauses, empty frames, breathing spaces. You're gonna add all that to your AI to make it look like a little bit human, okay, more human rather. Like the video you are seeing on your screen right now, there's a place I said she paused. Like if you watch the video, you're gonna see that it's more, it looks more, less AI-ish rather. Number 9 is use voice that feels like human. Yeah, a lot of people have issues about this, doing AI videos and using AI voices. A lot of people feel it is too much in one. So most of the time when I want AI to give me a voice, I love using the native speech. Okay, we're gonna get there. So avoid robotic voices all the time and all that. Okay, so number 10 is add captions like a creator. You are saying it on the screen, add captions to your AI videos. You can use your InShot, you can use your CapCut, you can type them manually. That makes it more human, because humans, when they are watching a video, most of the time some people watch their videos without the voice. Maybe they are in a classroom, offices, a lot of places, so they want to watch the video and use the captions, subtitles, or the text on the screen instead. Okay, so number 11, after you've generated your videos, edit it. Okay, when you know you are creating real videos, you should edit it. It doesn't take longer time. Don't mind me, editing takes longer time more than shooting. But if AI is making a video for you, you need very less editing. Yeah, I believe so. So that is why we added editing to the timetable of this class, so that I can teach you the basic editing you need for your AI. So number 12 is lower your wow factor. Your AI must not be what everyone is saying, wow, wow. When your AI is too perfect and everybody is shouting wow, wow, wow like an ambulance, you definitely it's giving the AI vibe, okay? But let people still criticize it. Let them still say, okay, do this way, do this way. Okay, I think it looks less AI-ish if you do that. It's not every time you are wanting AI to give you perfection. You know, I used to tell people that this is AI, you shouldn't expect too much from it, except you want it to be AI. So it goes different ways, right? So that is the 12 tips you want. I'm still gonna put this on the group. For those of you that want to copy this into your notes, if you want to join the group, please text this number you're seeing on the screen. So let's get into the other part of today's class. Your AI video looks fake, looks AI when you try too hard for perfection. Your AI video doesn't have to be perfect. Make them slower, like give it time. Don't just rush it, okay? Make them simple, make them imperfect, make them intentional, give it time. It goes like that, time to time. Like give it little time. Like you're gonna do great things when you give yourself time. So even for your video, you have to give it time. You have to like take it slower. That is how they look more human. You don't just see a director that wants to direct all the movie in one day. It takes time by time. It takes time. It takes from scene to another scene. So that is how you make your AI look less AI-ish and more imperfect, more human, because you are imperfect. Okay, so stop looking for perfection and wanting to get everything all done in one day. Now the B part of the class says how to animate. Okay, how to generate images first, how to animate still images, camera movement prompt, zoom, pan, etc. Making images look realistic. And the C part say talking avatar, AI presenter, script writing for avatars, how to get your own avatar, voice selection, basic lip sync and all that. We're gonna cover everything on this video. So let me share my screen for you so that we're gonna see how to generate our images first. And we have like started the practical part. We are now fully right into it because this takes us to the practical time. So this part of the video, you have to follow it little by little. You have to take it in one at a time. I always tell you, do not rush AI. You can't know it if you rush it. So you're gonna take it little by little, and you're also gonna practice everything you are learning, everything you are getting from this class. Enough talking, let's get right into it. So we're gonna be generating our images first, and the first thing is to head over to your Chrome. This is my Chrome, and you're gonna search WHISK AI, WHISK AI. I have been here often, I have been here a lot of time, but if this is your first time of visiting this website, things are gonna be a little bit different for you. Different in the sense that you have to like log in, like sign up, right? You have to like sign up. So if you'll be able to navigate it, it is not that difficult. You just have to like sign up and accept their policies and all that. So you can click on any of this one, the first one, the second one, okay, not this third one, skip that please. So you're gonna click on this first one, okay, or the second one. Anyone you click, like I said, is gonna be a little bit different for you if you are coming in here for the first time. So let me just check if there's a way I can do a quick tutorial for anybody coming in here for the first time. So let me sign out, okay, in case you are having issues. Okay, let me change my to okay. So let's start from the beginning. Let me show you how it works. Okay, so I've signed up so that I can show you step by step if you are a new person coming to this website for the first time. So you just have to sign, like click, oh my god, you just have to like type WHISK AI and you're gonna see this. So you click on the first one. My account has been logged out, so this is me coming in here as if I've never been here before. So you are going to click on sign in with Google. Click on that, wait for it to load. Okay, it's gonna bring you to an interface where you see all your email. It's gonna bring you to an interface where you have to sign in with your email. So you're just gonna choose an email address. Okay, wait for that to load too. And it's gonna bring you to this interface. For a better user experience, I'm gonna say you should like switch to the desktop side. To switch to the desktop side is very easy. You click on this three dot here and you're gonna say desktop side here, and then your interface is gonna be different. So it might bring you back to this place and ask you to sign in with a different account. That is because you switched. Okay, it's normal. So you can just sign in with that same account again, or you choose a different account. If you do everything I just showed you correctly, you might get to this place, but if you didn't, you might see something else. But then there is another thing you might see. Even if you did the right thing, it might take you to on a different interface. All you need to do is just accept their policy and you'll find yourself in this place. Okay, so if you are here, if you are successfully here, you click on enter 2. Okay, when you click on enter 2, you're gonna see the interface. This is WHISK AI. So just wait for it to load. It has not yet loaded. If it's loaded, it's gonna be different. You're not gonna be seeing these different things down here. So you just have to like give it some moment. Hold on. Okay, now it has loaded. Let me take my time to explain everything for you on this app. Okay, this place is when you want to reference an image. You can see this is where you put in your picture. You're gonna agree that the picture that you are putting, that it is your own and you are not, you know, those things. So this is where you put in your pictures. Okay, so this is where you put in, I'm gonna teach you all these things, don't worry. So I'm just like trying to show you. This is where you just put your reference pictures. Okay, then this place is for the pictures. This place that we are, this place is for videos. Okay, now this place is when you want to add pictures, right? Like I said, if you want a better user interface, you turn it to the desktop side. So this is what the desktop side looks like. If you click on this place, you're gonna see your account, your what's it called, your credits. You get 100 credits every month, but people that are subscribed to Google AI Pro, they get 1,000, but you, if you've not subscribed, you get only 100. The pictures doesn't charge anything to be generated, but the videos charge 20 cents, 20 credits per video. Okay, so this is your library where you see everything you've generated using this account. You're gonna see everything you've done in here. Okay, so I think that is okay. That is not all. If you go down like this place is like, if you want a sample, okay, this place is the aspect ratio. We have only 3 here for YouTube, for portraits, Reels, Facebook Reels, TikTok, and this one square, mostly for Instagram. If you click on this place, this talks about it just gives you variety. This place is for the, if you wanted to reference your image without changing anything. If you write in your prompt like this, you click on this place and your pictures are gonna be ready. So that is what I am going to be showing you on this side today. When we start working more and more and more, you're gonna see more and more and more things. Okay, when you click on this, how about when you click on this side? When you click on this side, you can see download all images. Download all images means download all the images you have on this particular project. This is a project that I've just started, a stylish suit, blah blah blah. This interface we are is a project. So all the things we're gonna do for a project, for one video, we can just leave everything here like this. And if it is time for you to generate the pictures or to download the pictures at once, you're gonna come to this place that I just brought you just now and click on download all images. When you click on download all images, it's gonna be downloaded into your phone as a zip file. Okay, this place to start a new project, those are the only things you need to know on. That is everything literally. So this other side is legal, whatever. Okay, so that is all I'm showing you here. If you want to do your folktale, in case you are wondering what is the advantage of WHISK AI for your folktale stories, WHISK AI is the best. WHISK AI is the most realistic image generator. WHISK AI is the tool that gives you that realistic. Okay, let's take for example, hold on. I'm gonna go in with a picture of a typical Nigerian man in a Lagos market. In daylight. Buying tomatoes. Okay, this is simple. We are just practicing with this. Okay, you're gonna see the image is gonna create. Okay, it's gonna give us the most, it's gonna give us very, very realistic images. So let's just wait. Sometimes it takes time, some other time it doesn't. It depends on your network. So let's just hold on. Okay, this is not a very good prompt, but it is not a very good prompt, but this tool works with short prompts a whole lot. It does work with short prompts You don't need too much detail except you really want to, but it works with short prompt. That is why a lot of creators love it so much. So let's just wait. Okay, so after some time, you see the realism, right? Very, very real, and it gives you two. You're gonna choose one. Okay, do we have white Nigerians like this? No, so we're gonna pick this one. You can see with that little prompt, it gave us something beautiful. So that is where to download it. If you click on animate, you can animate it and turn it into a 8 seconds video. But this is just what I want to show you here. Okay, now this is a project. You can see picture 1 we generated, picture 2 you can generate over and over and over. That means that is if you are working on a project, if you are working on a video that requires you to generate up to 100 pictures, you can generate all of them here. Then you click on this place that I show you and download all images. So that is it. We're gonna be using this tool very well. So basically I've just showed you how to generate your images first. When you want to create your videos, a lot of videos like the real AI videos, it starts with generating images first. Those images form your scenes, your different scenes. So I've showed you how to generate images. Now I want to show you how to animate images. Okay, if you get your image, an advantage of using WHISK for your image is that WHISK doesn't need like you going to remove the watermark. WHISK removes there is no watermark for WHISK. Okay, to animate your images you can use WHISK, which costs 20 credits per video. I don't want us to use that. Okay, so we're just gonna leave that for now. You can use WHISK, like I said, to animate your videos, to animate your images, to turn them into videos, but most of the time I love using Grok. So let's go. Now let's take this back a little bit. Let's rewind. Let's come to ChatGPT and say something like, give me a detailed prompt to generate a picture of a subject in a market. Okay, in a modern Nigerian market. Picture should be fit for animation. Okay, so if you write your prompt like this, like if you add this little command, picture should be fit for animation, when getting your prompt, it's gonna give your image something better, that when you're animating it, it doesn't go like no flying objects and all those extraction and all that. Okay, so I'm just gonna copy this, then I'll go back to my WHISK AI, come and type my WHISK AI, go into it like this. Come on, we don't have all day, please. Okay, come on, going with my prompt, choose my aspect ratio. Let me choose for YouTube, then click on send, give it some time, and your picture is ready. Okay, so here's the picture. Waiting with this now. Okay, I love this one, so I'll just download it. To download it, just downloading it is a little bit tricky. Okay, you have to zoom in, then you download it. Okay, so now we want to animate this picture. So if you click on this place, it's gonna animate. Let's go back to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT a prompt to animate this picture. All we're gonna do is give me a detailed prompt to animate this picture. Okay, Hold on, hold on, no, hold on. Oh my god, it's network, it's network. Please come on, come on. Okay, so you can, like I always say, please read through, copy this into your notepad, read through, remove the things you don't want to remove, especially if your own isn't trained. My ChatGPT is trained. If you give me nonsense, I know what to do. So I'll just click here. You can see creating your video, right? Your video is cooking. That is one thing I love about this tool. This tool, it's somewhere that gives you that vibe of I'm a creator, and you can leave this place and come back. Now let me take you to another image animator rather that we are gonna be using more often, okay? And it's Grok, my all-time favorite rather. So this is Grok. Like I said, I'm gonna give you a full overview, a full tutorial about Grok. So just follow me slowly. Now I'm gonna, okay, I just remember that I didn't download that image. Okay, I did, sorry about that. I downloaded the image. Come on. So I'll click on this place that has plus image icon. I'm gonna click on it, click on animate photo. Then I'm gonna choose that photo in my gallery. Okay, so this is it, and I'm gonna paste in that prompt after you've seen the love sign. Before the love sign, don't do anything. So after the love sign, you paste it like this. You're gonna see this. So Grok automatically generate without you giving it instruction. Don't worry, you're gonna get a full tutorial about this, so just follow me closely. So let's check on the other video. Almost finished. Yeah. Mind you, Grok is not like Wix that you can leave for a long time. Wix you can leave it, but Grok you have to be on the app. Like if you leave Grok for a very long time, it might, you see, it has started from the beginning. So let's just stay here and get Grok's animation first. While we are waiting for it, remember the other time I told you that Grok uses images that you gave it. Now that this image is in YouTube format, land scale, you're gonna see that the video is gonna come out in land scale. But if you put an image that is portrait, your generation is gonna come out in portrait. You're gonna wait for some time for it to load. At this junction, you can leave this app. Okay, so at this junction, you can leave the app and come to this other app. Almost finished. Let's wait. Come on. I love it. I just removed the noise. I love it, but the character is very too serious. But don't worry, I love it, so I'm gonna. I don't want the voice, so I'll just download it. Okay, so let's wait for this to come. Come on now, come on. As you can see, our video is ready, so we're just gonna download it from here. So we're gonna compare the two videos, Wix and Grok. Wix is 8 seconds, Grok is 6 seconds. So let's see. At a time, yeah, we're breaking the cycle. Tools at your hands, don't. So that is just it. Wix has this sound which gives you the voice more than the Grok. The Grok doesn't give you that voice. Not like it doesn't entirely, but you can either choose to download it with the voice or not, right? But I love the sound rather that comes from the Wix. I hope you saw where to download it from, right? And in case you are looking for your work and you can't find your work, because after animating it here, if you have a network issue, you might not get to see your work. So all you just have to do is come to this library. When you come to the library, you see all the works you've done. Remember, I already told us these are for the pictures, then these are images, right? Then these are videos. So if you come down to video here, you're gonna see everything. If you click on the video, then you're gonna see the work, the file, then you can download it. So that is all for here. That is all for picture animation. So let's check out the next thing we have on our timetable. Okay, so the next thing we have here is camera movement prompt, the zoom, the pan. Then okay, so let's just go to ChatGPT and get all that. Okay, so let's go. So we can just go in with a prompt like this: act as a professional movie director and editor. Give me a list of different camera movements. Then you can go ahead to put what you are creating. If you are creating movements for folktale story, you can decide to put this. Okay, you can decide to, like, whatsoever thing you are creating, just put it there. But the right place to use this is when you are creating a project from start. Then you will tell ChatGPT that it should include camera movement. Oh, I made a mistake. That it should include camera movement on the prompt that it is giving you. Okay, so that is the best place for you to use this. So while you are generating your pictures, you're gonna remember, one thing you're gonna say is to make sure the pictures are fit for animation. But when you want to get prompts to generate your videos, to animate those pictures to videos, that is when you're gonna add this command that it should add camera movements, suitable camera movements to all the prompt that it is giving you for the videos. I hope you understand. And as you can see, for this command, it is giving you it's giving you the how to use it, and it's also showing you the effect. Okay, so that is just it for this one. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So we have a lot here. We have 15. Okay, so it's giving us a golden rule: if the camera moves, it must mean something. Folktales breathe slower. Let emotion, nature, and silence lead your movement. Okay, so that is just how to ask ChatGPT for camera movement. Let's see something. Let's say write number 1 into a detailed prompt for use. Okay. I hope you can see how lengthy it is. A cinematic folktale opening. Okay, now this is text to image. Let's just copy this and take it to Grok. Okay, let's take it to Grok. Okay, let's see what Grok is gonna do with this. Okay, let's see what Grok is doing. Remember, we are not referencing any picture, so Grok is gonna generate like portrait for us, except we are referencing a 16:9 image. So let's just wait and see. Okay, this is Grok. This is what Grok gives us. This one, we're gonna be downloading it with the sound. Okay, so the camera movement is the movement you are seeing You can see how the camera is going inside the forest and like you see the movement. So that's literally what camera movement is. Professional videographers, they don't just stand one place videoing the whole subject and everything. They like zoom in, zoom out, all those kind of things. That is what we call camera movement. You can see how it started with these two trees, then it's now went in and like filmed the ones at the back. Okay, so that is just a simple explanation for it. So we are going to download this without the sound, with the sound rather. Okay, so that has been downloaded, so that is it. The next thing we have on the list is how to make your images look cinematic, and I'm gonna be giving you tips for that. Okay, if you want your images to look cinematic when you are working on a project, the first thing is that you should think in shots, not just pictures. Cinematic images feel like they belong to a film frame. Remember, you're gonna be animating all these things, so before generating the pictures, you're gonna decide like the type of shots that they are. Is it medium emotional shot or close-up? Is it wide establishing shot? Then you're gonna ask what is the emotion of the moment. Number two is you should use film language in your prompt when you are generating your pictures. Film languages include cinematic lighting, soft focus background, natural film, like all those type of languages. You have to avoid things like hyper detailed perfect lighting because you're gonna be animating all this, so you're gonna like you don't want perfection. Remember, I told you that the best AI generations out there are the ones that are not perfect. You don't tell AI to make it very, very perfect. Making it very, very perfect means you want it to look very AI-ish. Number three is that lightning is gonna be like a movie. I already told us that lightning is one of those important things for your image generation. Okay, so number four is that you're gonna limit your color. So like folktale is always green. Emotional drama, it's always warm skin. Okay, so like if you want to add prompts to that, when you want to generate prompt for your images, make sure you always tell ChatGPT what you want to be using these images for, the type of videos you want to create. Number five is control depth of field. Flat images always look very, very fake, so always specify that the camera should focus on the subject, the background might be blurred. Okay, you used to see a lot of cinematic movies like that whereby things are going on in the background but the background is blurred while we are focused on one person, the subject, or what the subject is doing. Number seven, add imperfection. That is the secret. Okay, like don't want perfection. I've said it over and over and over and over again. Okay, and also you have to think like a colorist. Make AI think like a colorist. Make it do it for you like that. After generation or even in the prompt, like you have to lower the construct. Like if you are editing, this has to do with like editing it, right? So you have to reduce the saturation and you have to like protect the skin tools. You're gonna be saying all these things when we are generating our like videos. So this is just a theoretical part of it. Okay, so if it looks too perfect, it's not cinematic yet. Trust me, cinematic has shadows, silence, and it's like cinematic literally breathes. So all this theoretical part, you're gonna be saying it when we start generating our videos. So we're gonna be moving on to the next thing on the list. Simple as elevate, dream it, make it, don't hesitate.